Hey everybody, Thomas Vanderkin from the Vanderkinverse back again. This week I've got the Lenovo Flex 5G. Okay everybody, this is the world's first 5G PC. It's got a Qualcomm processor and I'm really excited to open up, talk a little bit about it today and see what this thing looks like. I've never seen it before, I've been reading about it ever since CES, so let's start unboxing this and see what we have. So, one thing I do want to mention is that it is, according to the press release, the world's first 5G PC. So, let's see what it looks like here. These are exclusive currently to Verizon, but you can get it on the Lenovo website or on the Verizon website. So, here's the box. If you're getting one, it had been sold out for a long time. I checked today, it was back in stock, so that's a great sign. More coming in all the time. Here's the box. Actually looks really nice. So this is a little bit of an upgrade of our standard kind of corporate boxing. So that's the inside box. Let's see what else comes in here. Nothing else there. We've got, what do we got in here? Looks like just the AC adapter and the line cable. Take that out. We'll get this out of the way. And then we'll start opening up this beautiful box. This looks really good. So while we're getting this open, a couple of things to notice. It is a Qualcomm processor in here. The big advantage of the Qualcomm processor is going to be the battery life. So we're going to get probably 2 days of battery life out of this thing. I've been seeing reviews online. People's minds are blown by how long battery life you get. So this is the 8CX processor from Qualcomm, the latest version, top of the line Qualcomm processor for laptops. Look at this premium experience. I don't want to forget what's going on here. Wow, it's got a little, whoa, look at this. It's got a little door, trap door that opens with the stuff in here. Comes with a nice empty bag. And oh, I see, the bag has the SIM popper in it. So of course, being a connected PC, you gotta get your SIM in there. So let's get that out of the way. This box looks great. This laptop comes in a nice little pouch, which is pretty cool. So this is it, my first time to touch the Flex 5G. Let's pop it open. Wow, this is really premium. So more nice touch padding. Here's the more paperwork in here, how to get connected to support. Let's plug it in. Let's see what it looks like. Here's my adapter. Oh, of course, problem is it's got a 3-prong adapter and I only have a 2-prong plug. We'll fix that in a second. This is a 2-in-1 laptop, as you can see, so it's a kind of a yoga-like device. Flexes around like that. It's got to have a touch screen, of course. And the big news, of course, is that it's got 5G connectivity. So it's a travel companion. It's really light. It's less than 3 pounds. If you check the details, it's got this fast processor, 2.8 gigahertz, super secure. It's got a fingerprint reader on it. But the big news, of course, is going to be that it's got the SIM slot here to put your 5G or card in here. So let's just make sure what this looks like. Look at that. Oh, there it is. Look at that 5G Verizon card in there. How cool is that? First in the world. What other ports do we have on this thing? Let's see. We've got the airplane mode function. That's cool. We got the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. We've got a couple USB-C slots, and that's it. I gotta get this thing connected, so bear with me a second so I can turn this on. Of course, we all know whenever we first ship a device, it has to be plugged in first for safety, so you know, nothing happens in transport, battery's deactivated. So we're booting this up. One other thing I want to talk about is that it does come with 1 year Microsoft Office. Here's the power button. We'll push that. 1 year of Office 365, and I don't know if I mentioned, but $13.99 I think on the Verizon and the Lenovo website. So I'm gonna just pretty much wrap up here with the unboxing. I think this is really cool. Obviously it looks great, but I am going to do a couple more videos over the next few weeks talking about how this is fast, easy, and secure. I'll take it out, I'll try it, I'll try the 5G, I'll do some speed tests. So I'm really looking forward to playing with this thing, getting some more videos updated. I think because it is such a new and a unique device from Lenovo with 5G, it's worth doing a couple follow-up videos. So that's it. Looks like it's booting fine. It's going to look great. Thanks everybody for joining, and we'll catch you next time. Bye everybody.